Okay, in this video, we're going to be changing a tire on my 17-inch Grizzly bandsaw. So the first thing we need to do is remove the guards so I can remove the blade. But a little tip that I always use, if we see here, I keep the Allen wrench that came or that works with this bandsaw, I keep it attached to the bandsaw with rare earth magnets. That way I know that it's always there. And I keep other quick reference material for my pin turning as well. So with that, I'm going to go ahead and remove the blade and the guards. Okay, these are my replacement tires I bought online from Grizzly. They were $40 and change for 2 tires. And I'm gonna act fast, see if I can get it to pull up and slide on. Still not wanting to come up. It's a little bit more flexible though. Not much. Boy, let me try a couple of these clamps on one side. And then the other. We're getting there. A little bit more to go. Oh, I almost had it. I think walking it up. Put another clamp right there. Ooh, okay. It's just a matter of lining that up all the way around. And I think that's good. That will take your breath away.